Hey there YouTube. So today we're going to be doing a air conditioner recharge on this Dodge Caravan. So what we're going to need is the hose, the can of recharge, recommended with stop leak, and let's go ahead and get started. First thing I want to do is pop the hood. Lever is located right there. After you pop the hood and propped it, next thing you want to do is locate the air conditioner low side nozzle. So on this one, it's right here on the back. It is the low side, and our hose will fit on that side. What we want to do is unscrew this. Like I said, this is right next to the firewall. We'll unscrew that cap, and now that's exposed. That's where our hose will go. So then next we got our refrigerant. This is 134A with stop leak, and then we have our hose as well. So these are the two things you're going to need to actually refill your air conditioning. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect this hose to this can, and then we'll puncture it with this valve, and then after it's punctured we'll be able to hook it up to the vehicle. So with your can, go ahead and take your can, screw it on top. Sure it goes all the way down. Just kind of seal it. We're not going to puncture it yet. Until we have it hooked up. So the next thing we want to do is go turn on the vehicle and turn the air conditioner on 100% on max, and make sure the air compressor is on. So inside the vehicle, turn the vehicle on, turn on the blower, turn on the blower. I have front and rear on, and I'm going to push the snowflake for air conditioning, and both dials are turned, and we'll go back to the engine bay. Now go ahead and take your hose and connect it on, just like I did. Take your needle, screw it all the way down until it punctures it. So now it's punctured. I can release it. So we can see now that the air conditioner valve is open, and we're putting Freon into it. Make sure you leave it upside down and shake it a little bit as you're filling it up. Make sure that valve is wide open too, okay? I don't think mine was open enough. There we go. See our needle going into the green there? We're just going to keep on letting it deplete out of the can. You can also feel the can getting cold, which means that it is working. I'm just going to let this can deplete. I think it probably needs it all. It's almost completely empty. Well, that's emptying out the rest of the way. Let's go ahead and go inside the vehicle and take a look and see how that's doing. Oh yeah, that's getting much colder. Much colder. It's getting there. We're going to keep letting it run through the compressor here. So we'll check back in just a minute. Now that our can's fully depleted, you can go ahead and remove the hose. And then it is fully done. You can go to put the cap back on. And you can validate that you have zero pressure in the can by seeing 0 psi right there. go back in the cockpit and see how it's getting colder. Oh yeah, that's feeling so much better. So much better. You can go and turn the rear off so we can get a little bit harder blow out the front. Oh yeah, that feels good. And it's like 90 degrees here today. So I want to say this video is a success. If you could, please like and subscribe to my channel, and like this video and check out my other ones. Thanks for watching.